Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to recover deleted photos or restore deleted photos. If you want to recover or restore your deleted photos, so let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow my all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store. Open it, and in this time you can see deleted photo recovery app, restore deleted photos. Please install this app and then open it. And in this, here you can see start scan photo restored. You can choose start scan, so click on it, start scan. And in this, here you can see your deleted photos, and in this time you can easily recover or restore your all deleted photos. So first of all, you can choose and selected your need photos, and in this time I can choose my need photos, so click on it and then click on it and then click on it, and then you can see this icon, click here. File are restored successfully. You can choose open, so click on it, open. And in this, here you can see your restore or recover photos, and then go back, and then you can see photo restored, so click here photo restored. And remember, in this here save your recover or restore all photos. And in this time I can show another way, so minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. Go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store, open it. Here you can see Digger photo recovery. Please install this app and then open it, and then you can see start basic photo search, so click on it, start basic photo search. And then you can choose go to settings and then turn on this option and then go back. And in this, here you can see your deleted photos, but in this time you can easily recover or restore your all deleted photos. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, choose and selected your need photos, and then click here, and then you can see three dot line, so click on it, three dot line. And then you can choose save this file locally, so click on it, save this file. And then you can create new folder, so click on it, create new folder, and write your folder name. And then OK option, click on it, and then you can see use this folder, click on it, and then you can choose allow, so click on it, allow. And then you can see right top corner three dot line, click on it. Here you can see select all photos, unselect all, sort by size, delete permanently, about. And remember, your recover or restore photos save your phone gallery, remember. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted photos. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.